Hi, my name is Jaime Benavides. I am a postdoc at the Environmental Health Science Department at Mailman School of Public Health, working with Marianthi Kemarthoglou. And I'm presenting our work titled Unintended Impacts of Open Streets on Noise Complaints in New York City. Exposure to high levels of environmental noise and noise annoyance have been associated with detrimental health outcomes. Although noise levels in New York City are not routinely monitored, a campaign in 2012 measured noise levels, which were correlated with traffic density, frequently exceeding recommended standards. Also, noise complaints from municipalities have been used as a proxy of noise annoyance and exposure in recent studies. On the other hand, New York City has been opening parts of its street network to recreation and physical activity through the Open Streets program. So we are interested in investigating the association between citywide distribution of noise complaints from 2019 to 2021 by the presence and the percentage of streets that are open streets per census tract. To estimate the association between noise complaints and open streets, we conducted analysis at the census tract level across New York City. We used noise complaints from 311 calls for specific locations and times, which we aggregated to census tract counts of noise complaints per day. We focused on two categories of noise complaints that may be impacted by the presence of open streets: vehicle and street sidewalk noise complaints. We use a mixed effects model with random intercepts for census tracts to estimate the association between changes in noise complaints and presence or percentage of open streets given tract level socioeconomic status. Our preliminary results suggest that open streets were not associated with noise complaints. However, the actual implementation level of open streets is not reflected in the available dataset, and results are subject to change if or when the implementation information becomes available.